Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another walkthrough through our garden. Lots of weeds. Our kale's growing really well. Gonna harvest that. Our lettuce is pretty much bolted. Gonna harvest all that. Gonna have some nice daikon. We're gonna pull some daikon out this weekend. We have lots of mizuna. Hopefully the seeds from our black-seeded Simpson are falling and we get some new ones popping up. We harvested all of our bok choy over there. Oh yeah, there's some lettuce popping up there. And our pineapples are huge. Wonder when it's gonna be ready. So our beds here, we harvested all the bok choy out of here. And this is Chinese lettuce seedlings. So we're protecting it with our fence, because whatever is eating all this stuff. Our beets, wow, one beet is super big already. Maybe we can harvest some beet greens. Our beans, this bean bed I think has given its second crop. We're gonna pull that out. And we planted more beans over here. Beans seem to be growing really well here. I'm surprised how fast the beets are growing. It's awesome. Our onions. Okay, our lettuce seedlings are doing good. We're going to transplant all of those. We planted some black-seeded Simpson seeds there, but nothing came up. I think it's a little too warm and dry for lettuce right now. But our strawberries are going crazy. That's awesome. It's going to take over this side of the bed. We're going to have to do something about these the herbs over here. So our seedlings are doing really well. I have to figure out where we're going to plant the mulberry, the papayas, the cucumber. We'll transplant this weekend. The second squash didn't come out. Okay, our lilikoi. Lots of little fruit. Look at all the fruit. Gonna have a lot of lilikoi. Oh, it's really, oh, sadness. Look, some of them are just falling off. I guess as the vine is part of it's dying off. So we cleared out this area here, harvested the bok choy. Some of the Chinese lettuce is doing really well. Probably gonna need to fence that in, because something's eating it, probably the birds. But our eggplant, we're gonna have some eggplant. Look at all the eggplant. Peppers are coming back. These three here are the peppers we grew from seedling. We harvested all the lettuce out of this bed. So it's just basically bok choy, lone lettuce over there. Gonna harvest most of this. Lots of bok choy. We pulled up our zucchini and planted the seedlings there. I'm probably gonna plant some stuff around this bed. And here's our winter melon. We have the big one. And then we have one coming up over there. It's two, I think there's one more on this side. Oh, here's one here, 3. One here, 4. Ah, this is red potato, purple potato. Interesting. Gonna redo this bed and let it rest. Some beets coming up here. Finally. So we'll transplant some of the beet seedlings into this bed. I think I'm gonna do the cucumber in this bed. Yeah, it looks like it's been dry. Okay, our potato bed has a lot of weeds. Gonna weed all this out. That's the purple potatoes, cucumber, some of it's dying back. I don't see any cucumbers. No cucumbers. Oh, no, there's one over here. One cucumber. An ugly one. That's okay. At least we have one to eat. Well, oh, look at the ohia. It's all in bloom. It's time to get to work. Thanks for joining us on another Saturday morning through our garden. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.